Hello everyone, this is Dark Dimensions Haunted House, and today we're going to be fixing my son's Homer Simpson Santa Claus prop that he has. The issue with it is the mouth doesn't work. I'm not going to be able to fix that, but his arm is disconnected. So whenever he moves around,
why do you mock me?
you'll notice this arm works, but this one doesn't.
Alright,
so you can see this arm moves, but this one doesn't right there.
Maybe for what?
Alright, so let me turn them off.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Alright, so whenever you check him out, you lift his Santa suit. You see... Can you see that in the camera? You see that it got disconnected. So I'm going to try to repair this. Seems like it's on. Okay. Well, it's sewn right there. Alright, so there's where it's broken right there. I'm going to try to use some JB weld that I have and a popsicle stick. I think it could fit inside there. See, it'll fit inside there. I'm going to have to cut some of this to make it fit inside there. Alright, so on this arm right here, I'm going to try to get this piece out so I can put the popsicle stick in there. So I'm going to take out these staples. And hopefully that'll come out, give me a little bit more space to work with. Where'd that go? I have to find that staple some other time. It went flying. I don't know where it went. And pull that staple out right there. Oh, let's see. Hopefully this will come out now. It's moving, so it should. There we go. So I got that piece out. Now the popsicle stick will fit inside there, and it'll fit inside there, so I can JB weld it. So to find out how far to go, or how much to remove, I'm going to cut right there. Alright, so I'm going to get the JB weld. I'm going to mix it together until it becomes a solid color. It'll start heating up, and then that's when it starts working. And then I'm going to mix this with the popsicle stick, and hopefully that'll repair this Santa, this Homer Simpson Santa. Alright, I'll put some in this arm. Are you hoping this works, Gage?
Yeah.
Getting all this stuff all stuck to my hands now. Alright, let's see. Go and get in there, Homer. Hands with his thumbs right there. Alright, now we're going to let that dry and we're going to check it out. So we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so we just finished gluing his arm back right there using the JB weld and a popsicle stick. So let's check him out.
No!
Okay. Oh.
Humbug!
No, he doesn't want to work. He doesn't want to use his arm now.
Ho, 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 ho!
Now he's just laughing. Alright, so now you can see that his arm is moving again. Alright, so he has a sensor right there. He uses 4 AA batteries. He is from 2002, and my son says he's Jimmy.
Yeah.
Even though it says TM, it says Fox right there. So you can have one on and he'll work off the sensor, or you can just have the push button right there. We don't have the charger right there, so there's a speaker. So the only issue with him that I can't fix is his mouth. Thanks, Gage. Here. The only issue that we have right there is we can't fix his mouth, where his mouth will move. Other than that, you gotta love his bug eyes. Like he's like not cross-eyed, but it's kind of like a lizard. But here he is.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Hey, Marge, you dropped this Santa suit. Hey, oh, jingle bells, jingle all the day. Oh, what fun it is to ride singing Polly Wolly Doodle all day. Jingle bells, jingle all the day. Oh, what fun it is to ride you Santa Claus today. Hey!
Well, anyways, that's really cool that we were able to fix this prop. We have many other props that we're going to be fixing and having to fix and restore. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is Dark Dimensions Haunted House.
Christmas cookie. Oh, cruel fate, why do you mock me?